Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that resonates deeply with many around the world: the call for justice for Palestine and the significance of global solidarity movements like the Freedom Flotilla. In recent years, we've witnessed a growing awareness of the struggles faced by the Palestinian people. Their quest for justice, dignity, and peace is not just a regional issue, it's a global concern that touches the hearts of those who believe in human rights and equality. The stories of resilience and hope from Palestine remind us of our shared humanity and the importance of standing up for what is right. Global Sumud Flotilla represents a powerful symbol of solidarity. It's a movement that brings together individuals from diverse backgrounds, united by a common goal: to advocate for the rights of Palestinians and to challenge the injustices they face. This initiative not only raises awareness but also fosters a sense of community among those who are committed to making a difference. As we engage in discussions about justice for Palestine, it's essential to approach the topic with empathy and understanding. Every voice matters, and every action counts. Whether it's through peaceful protests, educational campaigns, or simply sharing information, we can all contribute to a more just world. Let's remember that change often starts with awareness. By educating ourselves and others about the realities faced by the Palestinian people, we can help create a ripple effect that inspires action and fosters compassion. Together, we can amplify the voices that need to be heard and support initiatives that promote peace and justice. Thank you for joining me in this important conversation. Your engagement and support are vital in the fight for justice. If you found this discussion meaningful, please consider following or subscribing for more content that inspires change and fosters understanding. Together, we can make a difference.